Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of N8N. So let me take you to the website, which is n8n.io. For the ones who don't know about them, N8N is a powerful workflow automation platform that allows users to automate apps, APIs, AI agents, and business processes using low-code and self-hosted automation workflows. It is widely used by developers, AI builders, SaaS businesses, marketers, and automation agencies. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and see if you want to utilize the services. Maybe check out their pricing, enterprise section, or any other feature that you prefer to go with. But you guessed it right, we are not here for that. We are here to earn money from N8N. How do we do that? We simply join the affiliate program, start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and as usual, when we bring sales to them, we'll get commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? No restrictions found. So regardless of your location as an affiliate or the location of your consumer, so long as N8N provide the services to the consumer of the location, you can promote them, and when you bring valid sales to N8N, you get commission. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, you can come to the footer section of N8N and click on affiliate program within partner section. It will take you to the affiliate program page of N8N. Over here, you can see how the affiliate program works. You join the program, you spread the word, and when you bring sell, you get 30% commission on all your N8N cloud refers for the first year. That means whatever they'll pay for the first year, you get 30% of that amount as commission. That's awesome. And if you scroll down, you can see join thousands of affiliates earning with N8N, and what their high earning affiliates do to maximize their refers. They write blog posts, they create YouTube videos, build N8N templates, and basically spread the word, which in returns brings sales to N8N and they get commission. And if you scroll down, there are some FAQs you can go through as well. Now, let's learn about joining their affiliate program. So how do you join their affiliate program? For that, let me take you to the website called Partner Stack. Now, what is Partner Stack and what does that have to do with N8N? So Partner Stack is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. It specializes in software as a service kind of tools or applications. So what is an affiliate marketing network? Affiliate marketing network works as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of N8N, we must join Partner Stack as an affiliate or publisher. Now, Partner Stack also call affiliates as partners or publishers, so don't get confused. How do you create or get an account with Partner Stack? I mean, the affiliate account. For that, once you're on their website, you'll find the link in the video description, of course. So you can come to the website from here, click on Get Started, which will take you to this page. Over here, within I'm a partner, click here and complete the registration. Now I understand there are many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Partner Stack affiliate account. You'll find it in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself free affiliate Partner Stack account. Once you have an account with them, come to the website once again. This time, click on login, enter your credentials, and then it will take you to something called Partner Stack Affiliate Dashboard. This is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just N8N. But we're gonna keep the focus of our video on the affiliate program of N8N only. Usually, you want to click on Discover Partnership, and within the search bar, you want to search N8N, but for some reason, we cannot find it directly from here. That's why we'll go to the affiliate program page of N8N once again. But it's super important that you first create a PartnerSec account for the proper workflow to go. Once you have an account with them, come to the affiliate program page of N8N once again. This time, click on Apply Now. It will take you to this form with your information already filled in. As you can see, my first name, last name, email address has already been filled in. Now I have to add other details. Also, business name was captured from my details on the PartnerStack account. Then let's start writing other details. So in your case as well, assuming you already have created an account with PartnerStack, I mean the affiliate account, you're on this page, you can start typing the details. So validate your name, I mean the business name within business name field. Then if you are part of other affiliate programs, please list them here. When they say other affiliate program, that means other tools like them. Since I'm already part of 11 Labs, ManyChat, Browse AI, these are like software kind of brands. So I have mentioned a name. In your case as well, you can write. Otherwise, just write none at here. What is your main activity to refer users to an attend? So you click here and choose your main activity. Well, for me, I'm going to go with YouTube channel. In your case, you can choose the one that describes the most for you. Then, are you currently an N8N user? Yes or no? Just go with any of these options. Yes, I'm a pro user. Just got started or not yet. Do you have a company website? Yes or no? In case if you have a website, maybe you are part of a company where you intend to promote and attend. If yes, you do have a company website, go with yes, otherwise go with no. So, what is your company website? In case if you select yes here, then mention your company website here along with other details where you intend to promote and attend. Well, I intend to promote and attend on my YouTube channel mainly. So I'm going to type in my YouTube channel URL in here in your case as well and show you type in the details accordingly. Website, Instagram URL, Twitter URL, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok URL. And then if there's any other social platform you might have presence on, you can enter the URL in here as well. This is important for you so that you can start promoting them at that respective place after getting the approval, of course. And then you can read this. Please acknowledge we do not allow bidding on our branded search term. Doing so will result in a ban and your commissions forfeited. If you agree, click on I agree. Followed by that, click on submit application. When you do that, your application to the N8N affiliate program team would go. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval. They could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks' time. You can wait for them. And once you have been approved to the affiliate program, you'll be notified via an email. Once you have been approved, then what? Then you can come to the Partner Stack affiliate dashboard once again, and this time you can click on your programs. Over here, you would be able to see or you'll be able to find an affiliate program that you can explore. But since I just applied to the affiliate program, it could take some time for me to get the approval. Just for the demo purpose, I'm going to use 11 Labs affiliate program page. So assuming you have been approved by N8N, ensure you click on N8N affiliate program page here, which should take you to the respective affiliate program page on PartnerStack. And as we're using 11 Labs as an example, so let me show you how it would look like. So on the summary page of N8N affiliate program, you would be able to see a few details like click on other details. There's referral link, but for that, you might want to click on links. So to promote N8N, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. And that's why we clicked on the links, assuming we are on the N8N affiliate program page. Once here, you can use the tracking link that is given to you here by N8N on the affiliate program page, or you can also click on create a custom link and from there choose from any of these destination and create your own tracking link. And of course, for N8N, you'll be able to see N8N links that you could create tracking links for. But ensure you are indeed using the tracking links, not the normal links. In case if you're looking for some resources, some assets, maybe the logo or other details, you can click on resources. Once you're on the N8N affiliate program page, over here you might be able to find other assets or resources available. Like for 11 Labs, I'm seeing available logos, brand assets, and all. So like this, you would also be able to find something for N8N too. And if you ever want to reach out to the affiliate program team for any other question you might have, you might want to click on the messages tab and initiate a message from there, or you could also write an email at their email address, which is affiliate@n8n.io. All right, so you learn how to get the approval, how to get the tracking link, but the next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. So one way is website or blog. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website or blog you might have, you can promote them anywhere on your website where you feel like it's more suited for your audience, for your traffic. When it comes to blog, you might want to create blog posts targeting automation tutorials, or maybe create AI workflow guides on your blog posts, or maybe create a blog post on Zapier alternatives articles. N8N is an alternative to Zapier, so this way you're basically targeting the traffic of Zapier as well. So writing blog posts like this could be helpful to you. In case if you intend to promote N8N on social media, you might want to promote them on LinkedIn, maybe create automation demos on LinkedIn and put your tracking link with those demos as comments. It could work in your favor as well. You could also use Tutor or X AI workflow threads and maybe type in about N8N, talk about it, and along with that, share your tracking links too. Then comes shorts and reels as well. Doesn't matter whatever social media you are planning to promote them on, you might want to focus on creating shorts and reels as well. Don't forget to keep your tracking links in the comment or description. Of course, for them to click and for you to receive commission based on these successful sales. Finally, we got software as a service website. Now, these kind of websites could be good as well. Assuming as an affiliate, if you have such website available, you might want to feature them on that kind of website. Apart from it, you might also have automation website, AI tools website, or developer tools website. If you got such website available, then these websites are best suited for brands like N8N. So maybe feature them on your website, find any specific section and just go for it. So these are some amazing ways to promote N8N, but people usually struggle with how to get proper traffic. So I'm going to cover top 3 traffic sources for N8N as well for your reference. So you might want to focus YouTube, maybe create automation tutorials, AI workflow content on your YouTube channel if you might have, and put your tracking link directly to the YouTube description or comment, or you might want to direct them to your specific website or blog post. That's up to you. But basically, content on YouTube could lead to someone interested in tools like N8N. Then SEO blogs. Let's say if you choose to promote them on blogs, we were talking about writing blog posts on different topics. So you might want to target keywords like best workflow automation tool or Zapier alternative. We talked about that too. Finally, we got LinkedIn plus Twitter ads. So you might want to promote them on LinkedIn or Twitter ads, maybe talk a bit about it on these platforms because people usually either on LinkedIn or Twitter, they love these kind of things as well, especially if you're targeting developer, AI, or automation communities. So maybe write something about N8N on any of these social media platforms, LinkedIn, Twitter X, and bring traffic to either your website directly or to your tracking link directly. So this way, you got a place to promote N8N and you also got a place to get proper traffic, which could turn into better conversion. All right, so you learn how to promote them and how to bring traffic to them. And let's say you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, let me take you to the Partner Stack Affiliate Dashboard once again. Once here, you can click on Reporting. This will take you to the reporting page. Over here within Partnership Performance, you'll be able to see the performance. You'll be able to see clicks, unique clicks, signups, paid customer, transactions, revenue, along with other details. You can also click on link performance to see how your tracking links are performing. You can click on commissions to see commission level details and to click on customer performance to see performance by customer type. And how about getting the commission, that whatever is visible in here? For that, you can click on Commission tab, which will take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to see total available funds for you to withdraw. But it's important you set up the withdrawal first. For that, you can simply click on Set up Withdrawals. From here, you will see 3 payout methods. You could go with direct deposit, PayPal, or Stripe. That's up to you. Based on what you choose, the delivery time would differ. For direct deposit, it's going to take 2 to 5 business days. For PayPal, 6 to 10 business days. And for Stripe, 2 to 5 business days. Also, the processing fee varies. Depending on what you prefer or what payment method available to you in your country, you can click here. So for example, I'm going to go with PayPal. I click on PayPal. I'll enter my PayPal email address. We'll confirm it and we'll click on connect. Similar to that, you could also click on the payout method you prefer and give your details and ensure it gets connected properly. After updating it, you'll be able to see an option here to withdraw the commission. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see commission level details. We were talking about it, along with the commission status. The different commission statuses, and if you want to learn about each commission statuses, you simply click on Learn about commission statuses. And here you'll be able to find the definition of each commission status for your understanding. Now, all the commission that has ever been withdrawn by you, you'll be able to see it within withdrawal section. You simply click on withdrawals, and over here you'll be able to see the withdrawal date, sent to, status, and the amount. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of N8N. You apply to them, you get the approval, start promoting them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of N8N. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow in your affiliate marketing journey, if you want to understand better, there's some amazing resources that I have created for you that are free and as well as exclusive resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Take any that you prefer. In the meantime, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on that. For now, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.